The Douglas-Hart Foundation presents Nature in the Arts. Dreaming of spring flowers? Dream no more. This tutorial will show you how to make your dreams come true with flowers that will last all year long. Join us in making pinecone bouquets. It's time to gather your supplies. You will need pine cones, wooden skewers, paint and brushes, a drill and a bit, and wire cutters or pruners. First, you will want to look over your pine cones. Look at them from the bottom and the top. This will help you decide which end will be your flower. You see, this white pine cone can look quite different when the top is trimmed off. Let me show you how to do that. Grab your wire cutters and let's get started. First, examine where you want to trim your pine cone. Then wedge your wire cutters in and snip. Beware, those tips will fly off. As you look closer, you may not be exactly happy with how the top looks. Just use your wire cutters to snip off the individual scales until you like it. Now it's time to make the hole that your skewer will go into. Make sure you are drilling into the bottom of your flower or pine cone. You will need to get a good grasp on the pine cone and then use your drill to make about an inch deep hole. The drill bit size will vary based on your skewer size. Be sure to have extra pine cones in case the drilling doesn't go quite as planned. The more sturdy pine cones, like red pine, are easy to drill into, but the more flimsy ones, like white pine, are a bit more difficult. So I will show you alternative methods that you could use. If you are finding it difficult to drill into the pine cone, consider using floral wire to wrap around the bottom of the pine cone and the top of the skewer. However, with this method, the wire shows just a little bit. You could also take your hot glue gun and add a dab of glue to the bottom of the pine cone and then attach your skewer that way. Yay! The hard part is done. Look at how beautiful they look, just natural. But now it's time for the fun part, painting! I started with the skewers. You can leave the pine cone on or off for this part. I am painting mine green like a traditional stem, but feel free to paint them whatever color you want or not at all. Once the stems were dry, I began painting the pinecone flowers. I chose a variety of styles. Like this one, I'm painting just the tips of the scales. Or you could paint the entire cone. Most importantly, be creative and have fun. Take risks. Mix colors, add stripes, or whatever your heart desires. When you are done, you will have a beautiful pinecone bouquet complete that you can put in a vase to show off, or you could give it to a loved one. Thank you for watching and supporting the Douglas-Hart Foundation. Don't forget to check out our website calendar with upcoming events. Thank you!